Welcome back to Jay's Supercars. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American trucks ever built, the Chevrolet C10. Known for its rugged durability and timeless style, the C10 remains a favorite among collectors and custom builders. A legacy of performance. The Chevrolet C10 debuted in 1960 as part of the Chevy C10 series. Designed for both work and play, it featured independent front suspension, making it smoother and more comfortable than many other trucks of its time. Over the years, Chevy refined the C10, introducing powerful V8 engines, improved handling, and stylish designs that helped it stand out. Why the C10 is a fan favorite, from factory original classics to heavily customized lowriders and Restomods? The C10 is one of the most versatile trucks ever made. Its simple yet solid construction makes it easy to modify, and its vintage appeal keeps enthusiasts coming back for more. Whether it's a first-gen model with its signature wraparound windshield or the sought-after square body style of the late 70s, the C10 holds a special place in automotive history. Conclusion: the Chevrolet C10 isn't just a truck, it's a piece of American automotive culture. Whether you love them stock or slammed to the ground, there's no denying their impact on the car scene. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Jay's Supercars for more amazing automotive content. See you in the next one.